It's like you're screaming and no one can hear. You almost feel ashamed that someone could be that important, that without them you feel like nothing. No one will ever understand how much it hurts. You feel hopeless, like nothing can save you. And when it's over and it's gone, you almost wish that you could have all that bad stuff back so that you could have the good.
Why not smile? The problems you're facing isn't a battle right against your jaw. Stand on your feet and leave your hurts aside. Just be smile, you'll be fine. Don't let your burdens get you down. You've been crying, you've been dying over it. Say goodbye, leave a note, take a step, don't regret, and just move on. I think you finally had enough. I think it's pretty much too much. I think this maybe is for you. Know him one last week. He thinks you're just serious. I think he's full of it. The dog is ticking, so blow him one last week. Just when it can't get worse, you had a bad day. I'll make a good friend, we'll make a great trend. I think that life's a short for this. One back, my friend, and not like this. I think you've had enough of this. Blow him one last kiss. I won't miss all of the fighting that you always did giving. I met my saviors, they will be alright. No more sick, ugly trick, no more learning for you. He will be super sick, he will no longer speak. We'll look nice, we'll look good, we'll go dancing alone. You will laugh, we'll get drunk, and we'll forget everything. I think you finally had enough. I think it's pretty much too much. I think that's maybe it's real. Blow him one last kiss. He thinks you're just serious. I think it's full of it. The clock is ticking, so blow him one last. Just when it can't get worse, you had a bad day. I'll make a good friend, we'll make a great friend. I think that life's is short for this. One back, my friend, and I'm like this. I think you've had enough. Blow him one last kiss. Blow him one last kiss. Blow him one last kiss. We will do what you please, anything that you want. You will breathe, you won't worry at all. He will pay for his sins, he'll be sorry, my dear. All the tears will be gone away. I think you'll finally have enough. I think it's pretty much too much. I think that's maybe it's real.